forecast.
Another beautiful day. There's a time lapse with our Charlottesville camera. In comparison to the last couple of days, just some high clouds kind of giving that milky marbleized appearance to the sky, but it's certainly been another gorgeous afternoon. Matter of fact, it feels a little bit more like October, mid to early October. Made up to 71 at the airport today, right now 59, and temperatures tonight for most of us should hold in the 40s. 68 the high in Stanton today, and right now 57. We take a look at our overnight lows. Most of us will settle back in the low 40s, which is pretty seasonable with partly cloudy skies, mainly those high clouds that you saw there on the time lapse. Now tomorrow, I think widespread low 70s, and certainly that's above average. Our daytime high now is in the low 60s, but pleasantly mild or warm temperatures will take us right through the weekend. So again, a great outdoor and dry stretch, and those morning lows come up as well over the next several days. We take a look at NBC29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar. It is a quiet scan. We have a large area of high pressure, not only at the surface, but higher up in the atmosphere. It's basically dominating much of the eastern United States. Now there's a little weak disturbance that's generating some of the cloudiness that you see out to the west, and mainly those are some high clouds that'll traverse our skies here tonight, but it is quiet. And look across the country. This has been this way throughout much of the week, with the exception of the Pacific Northwest, and eventually that storm that comes ashore will kind of change the pattern for us, but it'll take until the middle or end of next week to do so. So in the meantime, it's all about the warm temperatures, and even at this hour, I mean, look how high warmth is even across portions of the northern plain states. Pretty nice for early November. So with the jet stream confined mainly to our north for a while, that ridge here in the east will hold sway, and that means above normal temperatures. Eventually a new front will be pushing eastbound by the middle of next week, and that could tap some tropical moisture with it too. We'll follow that in just a moment. Take a look now at tropical depression Ada. This is going to become a storm again as it moves out into the Caribbean. This made landfall in Nicaragua earlier in the week as a Category 4 hurricane. Prolific rain, mudslides, and it's not done yet. It's going to live another life as it moves back into the Caribbean, strengthens. This weekend impacts Cuba and then South Florida. Even if it remains offshore, they're still going to get rain from this and wind and storm surge, and then it'll be driven back into the eastern Gulf of Mexico. So some of that moisture may become entrained with the next front in the middle of next week. In the meantime, we're going to enjoy our quiet weather. We've got 40s here to start tomorrow morning. Good amount of sunshine tomorrow afternoon. Most of us are in the lower 70s, and then we'll start Saturday morning basically in the mid 40s. Saturday afternoon, more sunshine and low to middle 70s for the afternoon high. So for tonight, partly cloudy, a little chill. Most of us in the low 40s. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Enjoy the great weather while we've got it. Takes us through the weekend, even early next week. Tuesday night, especially Wednesday on Veterans Day, best chance of rain, and that rain could linger into the latter half of next week.